Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yo, what's up? We are in Alicante today. Some of you may know, somebody of you may don't know, but it's also nice. When we came here, like literally 1 hour ago, was big rain, dark sky, and heavy rain actually. Suddenly, look at this beautiful blue sky, sunny, and it's pretty warm actually. So weather in Spain in winter changing a little bit like a rainy season in Asia.
Yes, so yeah, we will show you around how it is the Alicante. For those of you who never been to Alicante, and then for those of you who already watch us in Malaga. So later on, we will stroll around in many cities for 1 week. So yeah, you can see where to go whenever you go to Spain. We are not going to Barcelona or Madrid. We just the one that who likes to have sun, food, sea breeze, palm trees. So yeah.
Oranges, coffees, and so on and so on. Alright, let's go.
So behind me is the Melia Alicante. I remember that Melia Bali. I remembered we got invitation actually from the Melia Bali chef. He's Spanish.
He actually promised you to cook paella.
Paella, but I think that he's already
something
somewhere.
happened, we didn't go.
And then that is the Barbados, something like that.
I don't know, it's the castle as you
Castle,
see,
and
or
then
something.
overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. You see, over there you have to go up. And that the city architecture, palm trees, this is what I need.
What you need. And also the Marina Puerto.
Alicante.
There's also casino if you would like to go. Here you go. So basically everything's here. Let's go.
Dua cortados.
Dos cortados, por favor. Idziemy. I have to find the coffee shop. So there's also already some palm trees and everything. There's actually some bar with the nice vibe in actually.
No.
Yeah, I know. I step in the water puddle.
Okay, so better focus on that one. There are so many, like boat shapes, catamaran.
Yeah, that's the Puerto. Puerto to Puerto, that's the thing. Here you go. Alright, let's go. What's that? Sorry, what you said?
Soto, yes. Why the status here is so vulgar? Look at the baklas.
That's how it's supposed to be in Europe long time ago. I used to. It's supposed to be still now.
Okay. Let's focus in the more city architecture and then, yeah.
Yeah, Alicante port. That's how does it look like here. Palm trees, so many boats, hotels, and everything. Alright. But let's go to on the promenade. Little bit of the street view. You have a nice flower and palm trees actually between the lines. Like this one.
And here is the Esplanade, right? It's like the promenade here in the Alicante, the famous one. And there we will walk there later on. And over there are so many nice restaurants. Just because, I think this one close by the water, sun, like the lake back, chill out, something like that. Maybe later on will be open. So yeah, we will walk later on here, but mostly focus on the
Marina. What do you think, Sang? How do you feel in Spain?
Spanish people, they are really lucky with the weather like this. No snow, especially on this area, the northern to the southern, and then always sun, good food,
Good vibes.
good vibe. This is like I don't know. One thing, the theory that I learned is that the people who has lots of sun, live close by the water, they are the cheerful like me.
Yeah, like you. That's
Easy going.
That's the thing.
Kapan-kapan, sabay-sabay. So, yeah. let's have a somewhere.
Let's have a kopay. Only just in case if you ask why it's so quiet, it's January, end of January, so most of people don't coming for holidays this promenade, what you see behind me. Probably during the July is that busiest, you know. So
Yeah, the thing is that many people are, escaping winter like a snowbird. They're going to the tropical countries. But yeah, we just decided to go that closer to Poland and then here. Already nice weather.
I mean, I just have a little jacket and a t-shirt, and actually sometimes it's that warm as I could wear the t-shirt only, so it's really not bad. Only it's just raining this morning, but normally it's not even raining like that, so it's cool. Okay, let's go. So it's the promenade. Promenade actually is also under, I don't know, cleaning or whatever. Just they put as you cannot walk, but some people walk anyway. And there's so many like businesses around. So and everything is yellowish here, like even the footpaths, right? This is like what you said yesterday to me. The sun color of the houses and everything, huh?
So it's nice architecture. We still spot some old architecture and also the modern building, and then
Chill, enjoying. That's only what's matter. So we came from there. There's the Macas, and then there is the beginning of the old town. So let's have some little bit of the street vlogging now. Let's see what's going on here.
So now we are going to the old town of the Alicante and see how is the life, especially today is weekdays, right, Kohane? And let's see that how is the hustle and bustle life in Alicante city.
Okay, let's go. We have a green. Let's go. That's the old town there, and some Starbucks to here. So we are in some small streets already here in Alicante. As you can see, it's a little bit different. There's so many vibes, restaurants, and small streets. And like this one, an architecture, and the balconies on the top. So kind of like this. The architecture here is very nice, actually. You see here and this and this. That's some basilica or church. Here we go. And this one. I don't know, you go have a look. And that's how the Alicante were looking like over 100 years ago. For example, this one, the Puerto in 1862, or this one in 1898, the promenade, stuff like this one. Port Esplanade. Okay, let's go. So, city center, old town, Alicante, like a kind of square. Sayang, let's go to this street, small one over there, with the looking for the castle.
Yeah, and look at the architecture. Really like a mix between the modern and then, still old. Like let's go there in the
I mean, this is the Mediterranean, more likely. Kind of concept like this one. Let's see what's this here. Here we go. There will be the castle in the background.
Yeah, look at this one.
What?
Look at the sun. Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Oh, that's the old road. Still cobblestone. Alright. And this is the Basilica of the Saint Mary. So a little bit of the historical side of the Alicante or any other cities will have similar. Let's see. So we did with the loop. This is where we park our car, actually. Orange, and a little bit like this one. No? Yeah, yes, yeah. You're orange.
Hey, Tinggi, my friend texted me yesterday. In Bali it's about a 60,000 rupiah per kg.
See? 60k per kg? That's quite a lot, actually.
And look at this, beautiful. Kohane survives. They have like a tuk-tuk,
Yeah, actually.
There is something about Asia that is in Europe.
Kind of, actually. If you think about that, yeah. All right, little bit of the changing the coast, like I mean, we are just going on the other side of the roundabout, and the vibe little bit continuation. Actually, with the beach now will be now will be the beach side, and that's gonna be actually nice for you, no? Let's go have a look. It's red, red, red. So this is the Melia, whatever you call it, the hotel under the renovation, and now is the beach. So Sayang is happy, and this is actually the beach. Look like this one, and the views and some bars, and the life is good in Spain. You can just enjoy Sayang, just quickly go to the beach, and that's it. Actually, the sand. Whoa! I nearly dropped it. And the sand actually here is. How you laugh?
So Robin, you just filming and don't see. Oh my god, I know that you already got like a vitamin C to this.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the sun, the sea breeze, the palm trees, what is it, something like that as a background. I already melted with this. Oh my god.
You look happy.
I give you a heart.
Alright, let's go closer to the water.
Oh,
But
look how clean it is.
sand is actually very clean. It's wet, but it's very clean and it's very soft. Actually, different sand than in Malaga yesterday. Yeah, this one is more sandy beach. Let's get to the beach, to the water. Right. The weather is so nice. So, you happy?
Yeah.
You're happy. I can see that. Of course, water.
Maybe
No?
when the Canggu Bali influencer moved to Alicante.
Yeah, the guy was actually dancing. And he's checking on. He's
And the thing is, he's not that young, like, you know, flexer, like influencer, like.
yeah, but
Canggu.
the age
The
is
thing
just
he's
the.
enjoying the
You said last time as the age is just the numbers, eh?
that. Age is only the number, but inside you is just your soul. Look at the blue sky and then.
I know. It's actually pretty warm, eh?
That. I should take off my jacket.
No, better not. I don't want you to get sick. But it's pretty warm in general.
Some people
Actually-
are already swimming in the sea.
Yeah, actually, some people swimming. That's true. This is what we actually said.
Age is only a number.
No, so funny, right? So cool. Okay, let's go. So one side you have a harbor front with the promenade, and the other side you have a beach front where you can walk. Also some palm trees, but less. But the beach directly, actually, you have a nice wide promenade. Actually, why they didn't make the wide promenade like this one in Bali?
It's okay.
They could make it the wide one. And then the beach. Cortado, dos cortados.
Kohane. Cortado time? How is it? Cortado time?
Cortado time, yeah.
Yeah. With the view of the Alicante beach. So this is the place. Actually, it's very nice bar, and then the decoration is just like this. Many people are sitting, enjoying the time. Nice. I really like it. It's just like, you know, the vibe of the beach bar or something like that. It's just, I spoke to them and, you know, they need to fly about 22 hours, and also the price range that we pay two cortados about €5. It's just like you fly to Bali and the same you go to the restaurant, beach bar is something same.
Yeah, but
Nowadays the cost of the, you know, price in the restaurant or bar in Bali is same like in Europe.
actually that's the thing. Right now the prices are the same in Asia, so basically, you know, you pay on the top of it expensive ticket. Here is also nice.
As usual, the monkeys will also shows you the point of view if you drive a car. So yes, on the right side, Esplanade, we were here before, and on the left side is the Puerto and the marina. Now we just stroll around by the car to show you how it looks. It's very nice, sunny weather today, and
Nice roads.
nice road, really nice road. So if you have ever been to Alicante before, you can also comment on the video. Or if you never been to Alicante, what do you think about the city? Would you come to here maybe during the winter or during summer probably? So actually this is the point of view when you drive a car. And yeah, we are out of the tourist spot, and let's see, you know, the area where local goes, or yeah, mostly
you lose your long time ago you used to with the talking like this one. We used to drive and talk a lot. Now we forgot how to do it like smoothly,
yeah, the thing is that maybe because we don't do that much, it's just like simply the skill of talking while driving is just simply like we need to have it back. Yeah, no, so yeah, this is very nice palm trees.
The palm trees, the promenades of the palm trees actually very nice in Spain. That's the thing what actually we really like it.
Yeah, and look at the blue sky, sunshine, nice. Driving so chill, kohani.
Very chill. Sayang, your favorite shop,
Mercadona. Oh.
I just has to make this video. But it's actually, seriously now, no jokes, Mercadona is very clean, nice supermarket, good quality. And look how everything is spacious here. We have a nice view in the Mercadona. Eating pasta, and Sayang is so happy because you have a what? Prawn. Fideo. Prawn.
So good.
Take your hand, Sayang. I show to the people.
No,
2 prawns, clams, and the noodles.
I'm a seafood lover.
And for 50 euro. And we have even view.
Right, so there's a video actually in Alicante. We are so sorry that we are not going to the Santa Barbada over there because it's closed. So we just stroll around to the old town. But maybe for the next time when we come here, maybe during the summer or any kind of season, probably I would like to go there and record everything on the terrace. It must be nice. And beautiful with the flag and beautiful architecture here, easy going, chill vibe, and yeah, that's all our video from Alicante. And the next video will be a different city, right?
Correct.
We will go to Benidorm, Valencia, Cartagena.
And some countryside, smaller cities by the ocean, by the sea, Mediterranean Sea. So
Thanks for watching. Ciao, adios.